that our bishop shared, and we share all the time at Relationship Matters, is don't compare your relationship to ours.
Right.
My husband said he didn't have a Facebook page. Well, he does. We have one page, Dan and Amelia. So that's because of the call of God on our lives and our marriage. But don't compare your relationship to ours and say that's what you have to do. No, you're an individual. Your relationship is different. What works for you works for you. Yes, we both have our shirts on today, but no, we're not Bobsy twins every day. We don't always have to wear the same colors. We don't always have to dress alike. But if you do, that works for you.
Right.
It's okay. It's not a kingdom issue, in other words. It won't send you to hell.
Right.
So why worry about it? You don't have to force your spouse or your mate to be like somebody else. No, don't do that. You're causing issues and more issues than necessary in your relationship. So don't compare your relationship with somebody else.